Don't you hate ads when you are trying to read something on your browser? Yes, of course you can install an ad blocker, but often some of them just slip under the fence. What about all the clutters? Sometimes I just want to read the text I want to read without the ads, without the distractions. Well, if you are using the Chrome browser, like I do, it has a feature called the reading mode, which will do exactly what I wanted. Here's what you need to do. Right-click on the page, select Open in reading mode, and it will open a sidebar with all the text from the same page, just the text, no ads, no clutters, just the text. Unfortunately, there is no image either, but then again, you just want to read the text, right? Here you can also set the preferences. For example, you can set different text. I like pop-ins and like Sandeka, for example. Change how big or small the font you want to be. Change the background. The line height. How wide it is. And you can see also the links are still working. So you can go and change to other pages. So there you have it. Distraction-free reading. Thanks for watching.